was that?
Yeah, she's Meryl. Meryl.
Oh, Marilyn designed
Yeah,
yeah. Oh,
she-
years ago we last met. Son of the hood.
आजचा दिवस कसा जातो?
Really tasty, tempting.
Going Pillu.
Morning, Adrian. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. House is in a bit of chaotic scenario only because baby and baba are traveling to Bangalore today, and we didn't tell you about this earlier. We just wanted to suddenly tell you guys that they are leaving for Bangalore, and packing sab ho gaya hai almost. That is not going, those are just my iron kapade that has come today morning. हाँ अभी जस्ट आया था, मैंने जीतू को बोला भाई जल्दी मेरे को दे, सो वट एवर द iron clothes have come, just come this morning, and then we put it in the bag. I am going, but I am not going with them to Bangalore. I am going to a hotel in Andheri because tomorrow I have a function in Binder to MC. Makes no sense coming back, going, it'll be too tiring for me. And I was like, why should baby have all the fun? So so I'll be checking in a hotel in Andheri, and in the evening my plans are maybe to spend time with Lolly because he's there. And Hriday's got a new toy. Just show that to everybody. I got him a Thar. I didn't get, baby got him a Thar, and so that he can play. Otherwise he's going to use his mobile the entire time. And now I have one work for baby before she leaves. Please put that button on my kurta. I have kept it out. It's got a bit loose. I don't know if you can see, thoda ye loose ho gaya, bahar aa raha hai. So I want that to be second. Today I'm going to wear that. Tomorrow I'm going to wear that for the wedding. And Bagu, aajcha divas. Oh, that's a car, huh? Chester will be at Sam's boarding. He's also excited because he's going to meet his friends.
Dirty hanger. Take a nice hanger, no?
I'm not taking it, no, it's fine. I'm just going to वो गाड़ी में रहने वाला है. And that is a sturdy one, मतलब strong one. That's why I prefer having that over looks. क्या कर रही है अभी?
Needle.
मतलब टाइम लगेगा.
Just a minute.
They hold Chester, okay? Make sure he doesn't go out because Rangoli and all is there. I don't want him to spoil somebody else's Rangoli. Charlie is here. Coco is here. Hriday is engrossed with his Thar.
Apparently, you can circle this also. You can.
It's a wheel, no? Good job. Nice. Very fast. Very nice. Baby is okay with that work. She does not do it with perfection because last time she did that, the same thing came out again. देख ये तेरा ही काम है baby. वो बराबर है.
But I need to open it, no? It's not that. It's like इधर से वो tight loose हो गया. Get those scissors.
Charlie, Shisha.
Keep it down.
Sister also saying, what is Mama doing? Instead of petting me, you're doing all this, Mama?
Babu, Chestudi, Mama leaving Bittu.
He's engrossed in the Thar car also. No, Chester. What did Boo do, Chester? Chester, my Boo do. Hey, good do. You know we are leaving, Boo Boo. But you're going to meet your friends. Sugar, Simba. Where's Sugar? Where is Sugar, Chester?
Take baby.
Done? Chalo, thank you. Just put the first button, top button. And let's go, let's go. I'll go and get the car ahead and come, baby. सामान रखना पड़ेगा ना पहले. I'll go and get the car in. So before leaving, I wanted to go and get the car, but then I was like, let's say prayers before we leave. So we'll say our short prayer. We'll say the Psalm 91, and of course the protection for everyone, not only for baby and Baba, but also for mummy, daddy, Anu and Preeti. They all are going in together. It's a family trip, so we'll pray for all safety. Psalm 91, God our protector, whoever goes to the Lord for safety, who remains in the protection of the Almighty, can say to him,
Chester's here.
Hridaya is wearing shoes.
Hridaya is wearing his shoes. Ready? It's a little dark. These lights have gone.
I'll take Chester and go to the car. Meet him. He wants to go out first.
Okay.
Sure. Excited to go out.
So we are waiting here for baby. He's gone to get the car. Please come, I'll show you. Hey Chester, you're driving the car, darling. Chalo, open the dicky, babu.
Hi, you have to give the thing.
Yeah.
This is coming out. You'll manage to give it.
Shut the window and just open the
No, at least
dicky.
you sit inside. I'll keep it.
हाँ window बंद करो.
चल जो आ जाओ. You are wearing black, but
It's okay.
Alright, let's go and drop Chestu first.
Mama's going to take care of yourself, okay? Do nice potty, do nice shushu, eat good food. ठीक है? आजो सोनो दिमाग सोनो. आज बाबड़े. Guddu. Be a good boy, okay, Chestu? Chester, no eating the crackers. They keep that inside. I don't need it.
Actually, we should have gone ahead and taken a U-turn.
Yeah.
Come. Forgot. I took the earlier turn. I'm waiting, looking at you over here.
See how he's running. Hello.
Morning walk.
Bye.
Took the earlier turn. I forgot it's there. Yeah, so sorry for making you walk. Chalo, bye. We haven't had our breakfast, so we'll do a stop at Ribbons and Balloons, have some puffs and all, and then go to the airport. Looks so good here. Fibers to है क्या?
No.
Hello.
This is like
Hey,
a
yeah.
fan kind of a thing. Yeah. I don't know for what it is. क्या है? क्या हो सकता है? The road is also wet. What?
Just show के लिए. There might be something on that board we didn't see something related to like
No,
वो
no,
सिंथॉल
no.
का ऐड रहता है ना?
No,
So,
no,
क्या?
no, no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
Sure.
Yes.
1 2 3 चला आता पाहू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
हॅलो, आम्ही तुमच्या कुठे पोहोचलात? साईडला बघ. मम्मी डॅडी आम्ही थांबून राहिलो तुमच्यासाठी. हा चालेल. हा
तेरा
हाँ एक ही है. बाय बेबी. ठीक है.
Bye, good morning, baby.
इट्स ओके. चलो बाय. बाय.
So I am on my way to the hotel, and on the way is Adrian's house too. So I thought I'll just go and say hi to him. I called him and he also was outside only. So let's see, we meet him. Adrian's car is there. He's searching for me on the other end. There he is. There he is. Where roaming, Adrian? बहुत गर्मी है रे, बहुत गर्मी है. What are you doing here? क्या चालू है? What are you doing? Something you're doing over there? Done? Oh, where are you going? Going out somewhere?
Vasai.
क्या अभी you're leaving now?
Rose, yeah, 130.
अरे रे, I'm staying here. Metropolis.
Why? I think you have 2-3 shows in Andheri or today.
No, I'm going to Binder tomorrow, and today I had to drop Pooja and Rida at the airport. They left for Bangalore. So rather than going back, I'm going to say that that's the place where I'm going to stay now tonight.
Okay.
So this is the room. Decent, nice, like it. Very clean, looks good. I don't know how the washrooms are going to be. Let me just check it. Oh, nice, decent. Okay, nice. Toiletries है? सोप और ये ब्रश नहीं है क्या आप लोग के पास? किधर नीचे है? ओके चलो गुड. ठीक है चलो गुड फॉर मी. नाइस. गॉट ऑन द 6th floor. रेस्टोरेंट है क्या इधर? चलो गुड.
ऑलमोस्ट बोर्डिंग टाइम झालेला आहे. मम्मी इज गॉन अपस्टेअर्स टू गेट सम फूड आणि एव्हरीवन ओव्हर हिअर इज एन्जॉयिंग द मॅकडी फूड. एन्जॉयिंग.
So guys, I'm in Subway right now and guess who I met? My college friend. 10 years ago we last met and we're meeting. Of course, everything has changed. We don't look the same anymore. I have grown beard. I have grown beard. He's lost hair there. But that's how it is. We both were pursuing chartered accountancy, but nahi hua hum log se. But we are doing way better than what other people expected us to do. The professors, when we were studying, the professors are like, "अरे CA के बिना कुछ होने वाला नहीं है तुम लोग का ये वो and all." But I'm happy to see that we both are proving them all wrong. Who are doing CA is well and good. It's good for you guys. You've done ahead. But the ones who haven't pursued these tough professions, believe me, there's a lot of things for you. And it's so nice to meet him unexpectedly, not planned, nothing. He's a bit shy, camera conscious, but then it's fine. I'm so happy to share. I wanted this moment to be recorded, so I told him I'm taking you in the vlog. So happy to see you, bro.
It's been 10 years and
10 years.
awesome catching up, again with our anchor भाई. मजा आता है बात करके. भले कैमरा में ज़्यादा नहीं करते.
But if you note किया तो हम लोग college के time में ना बात नहीं करते थे. It's all after college that I've made these connections, communication with everybody, and it's so good. And this is the complete. My day is going to go good now, of course, after having the surprise meet. So lovely to have you in the vlog as well.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine actually.
Tired? Hungry. कान दुखले माझे. Finally reached Bangalore. Our guide for 3 days. Oh, look at Daddy combing his hair and all. Oh, same. Daddy has the same watch. Show Papa. Show your watch. It's the same.
Color is same. Mama, try this.
I can't. How to do this? Smarty. Very good. Waiting for our luggage. So आता आमचं इथे सगळं लगेज आलंय and now we are going to click some pictures. So we finally reached our stay and the other cab has reached. They are ahead of us. I think they must have already checked in. So I'll quickly show you how it looks. Hey Hriday, tired? Very tired. Oh, stretching. So now we have reached. Hi. So this is how the room looks. Looks very good. How is it? Good, you've kept all the shoes here. Good boy. Tired? Doesn't look like. So fresh. Chalo. So, we are here for some work actually. Wait, I'll take the video properly. So we are here for some work. तेव्हा काय होतं ते आम्ही तुम्हाला नंतर सांगू. Not right now. But yeah, now we have reached here finally in Bangalore. Dada is not here. Wish he was here. Missing him a little. Actually a lot. Because तो मला नेहमी हसवत असतो आणि it's just fun to be around him. But I'm sure he's enjoying himself over there. आणि तुम्ही हे बघूच शकता व्हिडिओजमध्ये. So now we'll quickly freshen up and we'll also call for some food. So tired. आम्ही खाली तर आता कुठे जाणार नाही. Just probably going to relax. है ना हृदय?
Yes, lying down on the bed.
Yes.
Yes, hello.
Hi, look who's here.
Hello, after how many hours you're calling me?
Arey, what to do? So much time traveling. Oh my god. Never want to travel so much.
Just now waiting for 4 hours and no one puked.
No one puked.
Because of the temperature, I think.
It's cold here, baby.
School. Nights.
ठंडा है इधर.
No, it's medium.
अच्छा चल, now I'm changing and all. I'll give you a call after I've changed, okay?
So as you all know, I'm in Marol, so obviously without a doubt I'm going to have these momos. So I'm gonna have the fried ones and of course I'll be having the steamed one too. I've just ordered and this is how the setup is. It's almost 10:30, so it's like the ending part of the business day for them. Once it comes in, I'll definitely show you. This is how Uncle makes it so amazing. Wow. So guys, I had my momos and my stomach is full. And I'm in Marol, as you all know, and it's closer to Lolly's place. And a few days from now is Lolly's birthday. So I've got a cake from him. I've kept it in the dicky. Now we are all planning to go for a drive. So Rodney, Melvina and Nash also will be joining in. So we thought we'll go for a nice drive. After a long time we all are together. So we'll do that and then I'll surprise them with a cake. Melvina also doesn't know. So it's Rodney's birthday, so obviously we need to do something special for him. He's a person who lights up the environment with his humor. That is something that's not everybody can possess. So he has that, and he's always been the life of parties as well. So now it's time to surprise him with a cake. He doesn't know, so he does not like celebrating his birthday also. But then मैंने लाया है, so कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं है. Now I'll go home to his place and then from there we'll go for a drive. We have this cutie. Hi. Hello. Hi. Come here. Hi. How are you? Hi. Cutie. Hey, cartoon.
एक बार सर से कॉल कर दो.
Hey, cutie. This is a cute one, रे. क्या कर रही है? Hey Nashu. Hey Nashu, how are you? Hi. Hey. Yeah, I like what you're wearing, black and white, very nice.
And our team's name is Thor Rangers.
Oh, okay, मैंने देखा था वो.
Nice,
Nice. Good color.
Oh, she watches your vlogs. Who has designed this?
Oh, is it? Who is that?
Yeah, she's Meryl.
Oh, Marilyn designed. Yeah. Oh,
she
very
has designed
nice.
this. So, awesome designer.
Oh, lovely, is it?
She's doing my DJ Rodney sweatshirts also now.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Oh,
Yes,
nice.
shout out to her.
Shout out to her. I'll put her. Does she have any Instagram page
I'll
for
ask her
that?
what's her Instagram.
I know her profile though, but if she has a page where she is doing all this design work,
We'll do it.
I'm
She's a
putting
good
it up
girl.
here for her for sure.
She has designed this awesome
ये
one.
मस्त दिख रहा है. It's really good.
Very good.
मजा अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को.
So I told her to do my DJ Rodney.
मेरे लिए भी ऐसे कुछ मैं बनाएगा. I wanted to make a sweatshirt like Pooja Raj vlogs and all.
Oh, you can do that.
Yeah, मेरे को करने क्या है. चल तू आ रहा है अभी
हाँ आ रहा है, चल
चल नाशु कम लेट्स गो
Go Chappals, come, go Chappals.
So I somehow convinced Melvina also to come and she wasn't ready to come. But then I guess Lolly can convince Pooja, I can convince Melvina, but we can't convince our own wives. Seriously. ऐसा ही होता है.
Still raining?
Yeah, so
Raining to die, I don't know why.
Pooja and Hriday are in Bangalore. They are enjoying their week safely and all. I guess they have taken a few videos. But now I don't know what they're doing. I guess they're gone to sleep. Now it's our time to enjoy now. So we are on our way for a long drive. So we had decided to go to Marine Drive, but then we thought of going somewhere better. And of course she's got work to do, so she has to go back home as well. So guess where we are? We are right now in Bandra. We have come to Mount Mary, one of the best places and the most spiritual place in Bombay. You want some? ठीक है. Umbrella चाहिए क्या कुछ? Umbrella? So now we'll give him the cake. He doesn't know I've got the cake. Yes, this is my bad.
What's that?
You knife लेके काट. Yes. दिख भी नहीं रहे. हाँ चल done. I can open it. ये we don't know where to keep it, but we keep it here. He's going to get some sweet. हाँ यार देखिए बारिश है ऐसे यार अभी आने दो उसको.
जलेगा कैसा?
I don't know candle yeah. I told her secretly that he has something planned. He's calling you. Just take me. I'll handle this. जा. नहीं है रे. That's okay. Without the thing we'll cut ना उसमें क्या. अभी एक adjustment करना पड़ेगा. This is how the cake looks. Really tasty, tempting. Now when he comes in, we'll have. What is Lolly buying? What did you buy?
Oh, I brought for Nash this.
Oh, nice.
I bought this for us.
Lovely.
This is your favorite, I think so.
Oh,
I bought cookies.
oh, okay, so that is good. Very tasty.
You want anything else?
No, I don't. Thank you.
Sure.
Oh, Nasi, what are you having? Show
I have
me.
some good keychains also. Just here.
Hey, wow. It is a wrong day for me to wear white shoes. You're buying?
I'm just showing you.
Nashu likes something. What does Nashu like? Oh, this looks good here. Right.
Dhoni ka keychain. I like this thing.
Yeah, it is good. Chalo, let's go.
फिलहाल जो ट्रेनिंग celebrating.
ये पेमेंट किया?
हाँ करते हैं.
चलो. Yeah, before trains heavily. चल. हाँ, come.
हाँ okay mama will. You give me this. I'll open this.
Nashu's enjoying. Nashu wants to eat first. Oh.
हम पापड़ी खाने.
क्या?
हम लोग ये खाएंगे.
बाद में खा वो गाड़ी के अंदर का. अभी मत खा. By the way, take this. You should guess by now what it is. Huh?
Forward.
For what? Obviously, I'm not there on your birthday day, so we'll cut your cake right now only. Got a cake for you.
अरे यार क्यों है ये सब?
Yeah, अभी क्या बोला नीचे गिरे.
Dude, but don't post it on 26. I've not told anyone.
1 minute, I didn't. I'm not. Who said it's gonna be uploaded on that date?
27 के
हाँ, बाद ही जाएगा पहले ही नहीं.
क्योंकि I
चल,
don't want
keep
my
it.
church को पता चलने के लिए यार because 26 I'm in.
तूने डेट क्यों बोल रहा है फिर?
तू डाल मत ये vlog.
मैं तो ये डालेगा ही अभी. But I will put it after your birthday. Don't worry.
Put it
After your birthday, yes.
after my birthday. It's happy birthday. It's Lolly's birthday.
Wait, I need to click a picture first with this. Yeah, you have to remove that thing first. Chalo. Cut. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolly. Or bow. Happy birthday to you. Give Nash first, yes. Then comes your wife. इसलिए तो आई वो.
Right on your nipples, bro.
Now you know why she came.
Please don't upload this on 27th. Go down.
It will go after 1 week. Don't worry.
Good.
चलो before guest gets wet. अच्छा है केक.
सो फायनली आम्ही जेवण वगैरे आलो आणि आम्ही काय काय खाल्लं. वी एट लॉट्स ऑफ चिकन राईट.
Yes.
चिकन खाल्लं आणि काय खाल्लं. लेमन क्रिस्पी चिकन आणि रोटी सब्जी लॉट ऑफ फूड. फायनली वी आर बॅक टायर्ड and now about to sleep. Spoke to Dada also. Dada is also enjoying there. Missing Dada of course. Dada is also missing us. But we'll go back to him soon. है ना? चलो.
We visited Mount Mary, we cut the cake, and now we have stopped in to have some tea and Bonvita. Uncle is there giving us, serving us garam chai and Bonvita. He's making it, as you all can show you the other side. पूरा रात को रहोगे क्या अभी आप भैया? हाँ 6 बजे तक. क्या बात कर रहे हैं. And this is Bandstand, Bandra. Check out the waves. Beautiful night. I just called baby and I showed her Mother Mary and Mount Mary Church. They have to get up early in the morning because they have a function to attend. And look at that, garam. ये कोयले पे है क्या? क्या बात कर रहे हो? This is how it remains hot. ये बोनिटा है ना? नहीं चाय है ना. अच्छा बोनिटा उन्हें को दे दो. So guys, I'm back to the room and now I'm dozing off to sleep, really tired, and I don't think I'll wake up in the morning. So I'm going to sign off now. Baby and Baba also must have gone to sleep in Bangalore, missing them. Hope they come in soon. So I'm going to sign off now. असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.